So today I have been dispatched down to the UC medical area of Cincinnati, where UC Medical, UC Hospital really owns a great majority. It's like a gigantic compound. But anyway, we're going to pick up a handicap mobility van that apparently the side door has gotten all jammed up. Man, pothole season in Cincinnati is just ridiculous. But we're going to go down and grab this van. Apparently the side door's jammed up, so they're not going to drive it. We're going to take it back to the place where it was put together and fashioned and all that kind of thing, and go from there. We have to get the keys and then do a couple other things, and I'm going to show you what my process is going to be for securing this van to make sure that the door doesn't blow off in transit, because we've got some mileage to go with where we're taking it. Alright, so here we are. We are going to, I believe, go into this parking lot. I see a Dodge minivan. Oh, look at that. That door is off track, isn't it? That's basically dragging the ground. So there it is, and we are going to try and, yeah, that's hanging off quite a bit there. I would say it's hanging off quite a bit. We're gonna figure out what's going on here, wait for some people to get out of the way, and then go from there. So I made contact with the customer. Very nice lady, very nice service animal, and the door is in worse condition than what I originally thought it was going to be. So I'm going to do my best to see what I can do to get it secure, because it's pretty flappy. And I'll just keep these out because I don't know if I'll need more of them or not. And then we will go from there. We've got a couple of points where it has unhinged itself, this one being the main one here. So we're going to see what we can do to maybe get it back on its track and get rolling again. I know. I pulled on the door, so now it's trying to do its thing, but it is well off the hinges. So, see what we can do. Well, that might work. And then what I'd like to do is somehow get it secured to this handle here and go from there. So, and if not, I should at least put one thing on the outside if possible. Look at that, I got it to close back into place. Nice. Still going to leave it strapped and secured though, because I don't want to take any chances. I mean, I feel pretty confident that I've got it locked into place and that the green strap's going to do its job. But at the same time, in these situations, it's okay to overdo it. Because as they say, it's better to be safe than sorry. And there we are, strapped down to my liking. And so there you go, delivered safe and sound and brought back home without the door flying off. That's the important thing. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for sticking with me. If you would like to, feel free to subscribe and share and all that stuff. And I'll keep making videos and hopefully entertaining you. So with that, leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.